Hey, it's Andrew with ServerMania. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the reverse DNS manager. So inside of Surge, under Tools, go to RDNS. Now, I only have one device set up, and you need to set a forward A record before this reverse record would work. So ideally, if this was a web server, I could do mywebserver.servermania.ca, for example, if that's the domain I was going to use. You can click on Submit Records. It will make the changes on our end, but you want to make sure the A record on your end has already been set, or things just will not work. Now, additionally, you can also sub-delegate your ranges to your own account. Support would be able to help you better with that. Like contact them, create a ticket, and our DNS would be set up through them. Or you can do bulk assignments. So if you have, say, 50 addresses and 50 RDNS addresses to set up, you would do, for example, the IP address space and the domain name. In order, submit records, and you're good to go. If you would like to see more videos like this or need additional assistance, go to servermania.com and click on Knowledge Base.